Hi, my name is Hailey Page. I am new to Weston Sampson. So I actually went to a technical high school where I did a co-op at Weston Sampson with the GIS group. My time in college, I actually did an internship again with Weston Sampson where it wasn't the GIS group, but they let me branch out a little bit and try a little bit of field work. And I really enjoyed how the company had that flexibility for you to be able to try different disciplinaries and get different experiences. I feel the company's very understanding. If you have something come up with your family or you have something planned, they want you to go do that outside of the company and not just be full on work, work, work. They understand that there's a balance that you need to have, and I've really enjoyed that. I will say that the continuing education program that I am already involved in, and I started my master's degree, and it's a really great program to have the company support you. They want you to continue your education and help you out with that, and I think that program is excellent, and it's what really helped me to pursue my master's degree. Everyone was so welcoming and they want to spread their knowledge with you, but also it's not just work. Like you'll get to know each other actually. Like I went up for 2 weeks and lived in a house with three other coworkers while performing a huge wetland delineation, and it was a cool experience. And so I work for the permitting group. It is a branch of the water group where we work on wetland permitting. Um, we go out and perform wetland delineations and also permit before any work can take place with the state agencies. It's really important because if we weren't doing this work, then the wetlands would not, people would be building all over the place in the wetlands and not following regulations and protecting that crucial environment. It would, how much of climate change and environmental impacts today we are adding in. So being able to be a piece of that to help protect it, it's great to know that I'm involved in that, and it makes me every day want to come to work.